Why SQL? Nowadays, SQL is widely used in the field of data science and data analytics. But let's try to understand why we use more SQL database in industry. The use of SQL for a data professional and SQL users to insert, update and delete the data from the relational database. SQL also allows the data professional and users to retrieve the data from the relational database and management system. SQL allows us to create any types of data in our database, existing database, drop some data from our existing database and manipulate the any database and its table. It also allows us to define the data and modify that stored data in the relational database. So mainly we are using SQL for creating, dropping and manipulating the data from our existing database. Let's take one example. We have one table. Under the table we have some name. Here we have a student name, a student roll number. Here we have a class name, okay, and then marks. So a student is Shivan, Mohit, Rahul. We have a 3 student in our database. Okay, the first student roll number is 1, 2 and 3. Okay, class, all the students have the same class, it means 5th class. Let me take the 5th class. Okay, and the marks, Shubham getting 60 marks, Mohan getting here 70 marks, or Rahul getting 75 marks in the first exam. In the first exam, students are getting 60 marks, 70 marks and 75 marks. But again, in a second exam, here Rahul getting 85 marks, Mohan getting 60 marks and Shubham getting here 65 marks. So here we can do the updation. We can update those data. We can update. Let me take another color from here. So here we can do the updation using the SQL query, because in the first exam our student will get the 60, 70 and 75 marks. In the second exam our student will get a 65, 60 and 85 marks. So here we can update some records in our existing database. So using SQL query we can easily update our student record, previous record to a new records, right? Same thing if we want to create some new record. Let's say again some of the students are enrolled here ABC, then we can easily create some database here, or then we can insert it in our existing database. We can easily insert it. Okay, some of the students are dropped from this class. Okay, so using the drop operation, we can easily drop those records who have exist from this class. Okay, so using the SQL query we can perform different operation. We can perform create operation, we can perform insert operation, drop operation, updating operation, and we can do the different manipulating operation using the SQL query in our existing database. Okay, so this is where SQL query play a very important role. Okay, so guys, this is all about in this video. Let me know if you have any query in the comment section. Let's see you in the next class. Thank you.